Hey viewers, what we have here is a Hunter Savoy ceiling fan. This fan is in my hotel room in Mexico. You can see it's a Hunter Savoy, 5 blades. and there's the Hunter logo up there. This fan's in white and the hose bleached oak on top. And one of the blades is slightly bent down there. Alright, we're gonna. This fan is controlled by a slide switch here, so we're gonna start it off on low. The import chain is kind of short on it. This fan is set to the forward direction. Okay. Now, medium. And this fan does have a motor hum to it. As you can see, it has yep. Okay. Now, this fan was installed here around, I say, 2016. And now here's hi. And yeah, this one has a worse motor hum and it wobbles. You guys to change swinging. I made a short about that. Really powerful. This thing has a. I think one of this fan is also a. This fan is actually basically a Hunter Westminster without the leg. Yeah, it's powerful. Here's the top of it when it's on high. Here's the 3-speed control, and here's the 3-speed pull chain. This is a classic white finish. And yeah, it's probably wobbly because of loose mounting hardware there. And this fan can be put on a slider switch because it makes the motor hum. Let's see it from closer. You're far away. Yeah, but it still wobbles. Yep. And now we're gonna turn it off. And there's a closer look at the Hunter logo and the top of it. And that's all about this Hunter Savoy ceiling fan. Bye.